Ramanujan, the superhero of numbers, as if from outer space. Born on December 22, 1887, in a small village in India, Srinivasa Ramanujan showed a remarkable fascination with numbers from a very young age. While other children played, he found joy in the patterns of arithmetic and the mysteries of mathematics, often working out complex problems in his head. He was largely self-taught, devouring any mathematics books he could find. He filled notebooks with his own unique theorems and formulas, often without formal proofs, driven purely by intuition and an extraordinary understanding of numbers. Despite his genius, Ramanujan faced hardship. He struggled to find work that allowed him to pursue his passion. He worked as a clerk, but his mind was always on his beloved equations, which he continued to record in his precious notebooks. Desperate for recognition and guidance, Ramanujan, at 25 years old, decided to send his mathematical discoveries to prominent mathematicians in England. He carefully selected his most profound theorems and packed them into letters, hoping to catch the eye of someone who would understand. One of these letters reached G.H. Hardy, a renowned mathematician at Trinity College, Cambridge. By 1914, when Ramanujan arrived in Cambridge at the age of 26, Hardy had already recognized the extraordinary genius contained within the unconventional work of the unknown Indian clerk. Hardy, along with his collaborator J.E. Littlewood, quickly realized the immense potential in Ramanujan's work. He immediately invited Ramanujan to Cambridge, convinced that this self-taught genius needed to be brought to the world stage. Ramanujan, overcoming personal and cultural hesitations, embarked on a long sea voyage to England. It was a journey into an entirely new world, far from his home and traditions, but filled with the promise of mathematical exploration. At Cambridge, Ramanujan and Hardy began a fruitful collaboration. Hardy helped Ramanujan refine his methods and provide rigorous proofs for his intuitive discoveries, while Ramanujan introduced Hardy to entirely new mathematical concepts. Their partnership led to groundbreaking work in number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions. Ramanujan's magic formulas, now rigorously proven, astonished the mathematical world and opened new avenues of research. However, the cold English climate and dietary restrictions took a toll on Ramanujan's health. He fell gravely ill and, at 31 years old, had to return to India in 1919. His time in England, though short, profoundly impacted mathematics. Back in India, Ramanujan continued his mathematical work, even as his health declined. He made further remarkable discoveries, including the Mach theta functions, which continued to puzzle and inspire mathematicians for decades after his passing on April 26, 1920. Srinivasa Ramanujan's legacy is immense. He proved that genius knows no boundaries of place or formal education, and his deep, intuitive understanding of numbers continues to influence mathematics and science to this day, a true star in the firmament of human intellect.